Welcome to our presentation on do's and don'ts in a job interview in a Philippines workplace setting. Today, we will show an example on what to do and what to avoid to make a good impression.
Good morning. We're scheduled at 9 a.m. It's already 9:20.
Sorry po na traffic ako. Ano nga po ulit yung company ninyo?
Arriving late and unprepared shows a lack of professionalism and respect for a time. This is very important in Filipino work culture.
Good morning, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. And I reviewed your company's profile. And I am excited to apply as your software engineer.
Arriving on time and research the company so you can respond confidently and professionally.
Lecture lang po ako sa work. Basta po may sweldo. Jeanette!
Interview requires polite and professional language, avoid slang, and overlying casual tone.
I handle customer concerns with patience and empathy. For example, in my previous job,
Use clear and respectful language. Provide example to show real experience.
Where do you see yourself in 2 years?
wait po. I'm texting. Siguro ganun pa din.
Using your phone, slouching, and avoiding eye contact make you look uninterested and unprofessional.
In 3 years, I see myself growing in this company and contributing to team performance.
Proper posture, eye contact, and attentive listening.
As a group, we learned that effective job interviews in the Philippines require both professional language and respectful behavior. First impressions matter, and applicants should show preparedness, confidence, and courtesy. We believe these skills will help us succeed in our future careers.